Welcome to the world of gadgets and technology. Today, we're diving into the intriguing realm of devices that you never thought could get you arrested. From seemingly innocent tools to fascinating innovations, we'll explore the surprising legal implications that some gadgets can carry. The last one will have you guessing if you may own something that could possibly put you behind bars. Number 1, laser pointers. Laser pointers have legitimate uses in presentations and astronomy, but powerful lasers can cause eye damage and pose risks to aviation. Shining lasers at aircraft can blind pilots or interfere with flight operations, which is illegal in many places. Such actions may lead to serious charges, including endangering public safety. Number 2, drones. Drones have become popular for recreational and commercial purposes. However, flying drones in restricted areas near airports or above private property without permission can lead to legal issues. Unauthorized surveillance or invasion of privacy using drones is also prohibited in many jurisdictions. Number 3, hidden cameras. While security cameras serve important purposes, hidden or covert cameras used to record people without their knowledge or consent can violate privacy laws. Using such devices inappropriately, such as in bathrooms or changing rooms, may result in criminal charges for invasion of privacy. Number 4, GPS jammers. GPS jammers interfere with satellite signals and can disrupt navigation systems. Their use is illegal in many countries due to the potential safety hazards they pose. Interfering with GPS signals can have severe consequences, particularly for emergency services and transportation systems. Number 5, radar detectors. Radar detectors are devices that drivers use to detect police radar signals. Their use can encourage speeding and unsafe driving practices, which is why they are banned in some areas. Getting caught with a radar detector in a jurisdiction where they are prohibited can result in fines and legal penalties. Number 6, spyware and keyloggers. Installing spyware or keyloggers on someone else's device without their informed consent is a breach of privacy and, in many cases, illegal. Such actions may result in criminal charges as they compromise personal and sensitive information. Number 7, eavesdropping devices. Using unauthorized listening devices to eavesdrop on private conversations can lead to wiretapping or invasion of privacy charges. Listening in on someone's conversations without their knowledge or consent is a violation of their rights and can have serious legal consequences. Number 8, traffic light changers. Modifying or using devices that manipulate traffic lights and signals is illegal in many places. Such actions can disrupt traffic flow, pose a danger to road safety, and lead to traffic violations or criminal charges. Number 9, police scanners. Listening to police scanner frequencies without authorization may be prohibited in some areas. Authorities limit access to police communications to prevent the potential aiding of criminal activity. Unauthorized use of police scanners could result in illegal action. And finally, number 10, modified video game consoles. Modifying video game consoles to play pirated games or engage in illegal activities, such as cheating in online games, can lead to legal consequences. Game manufacturers protect their products, and circumventing these protections can result in legal action, including intellectual property violations. Remember to always be aware of the laws and regulations in your region regarding the use of these gadgets and devices. Using them responsibly and ethically is crucial to avoid legal trouble and protect individual rights and safety. Comment below if you know any more gadgets that people may not know are actually illegal. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.